Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy Visa gift cards online. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to buy gift cards online, you need to go to vanilla.com. So it is a website which sells different kind of gift cards. So let's go to there. Go to your browser and enter vanilla gift card. Then go to this website where it says vanillagift.com. Now over here you can click on buy e-gift cards. Now over here you can see there are different kind of gift cards over here. Now choose the type of gift card you want. So I'm going to click on silver gift card. And after clicking on the type of gift card you want, now you can choose whether you want to send this gift card using email or send it via mail. So I'm going to choose email. Now you can choose the amount which you want, like a $10 or $25 gift card you want to send. So I want to send him a $10 gift card. Now enter the email of the person to whom you want to send this gift card to and re-enter it to make sure that the email is correct. Now you can scroll down and click on recipient's name, the person who receives it, the person from whom it's sent to, which means your name, and you can write the message. Like this one is optional. You can enter or not, or you can just leave it. So let me enter some message. Now you can click on add to cart. Now over here it's going to show you like this is your total estimated. So it's a $10 gift card, but the website charges $2 for its service. So it's $12.95. You can click on proceed to checkout. Now over here enter your email and your phone number. After entering your email and phone number, click on continue to payment. Now over here enter all your card details like your card number, your security code, your expiration date of the card, expiration year, your first name, last name, street address, city name, state name, and your postal zip code, your phone number, and click on place order. And your gift card should be sent to the person via email to whom it should be sent. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.